I'm in 421 at Brown's Hotel, and look how they remembered that I need my own pillowcase. The bed looks jolly comfy. I've got a complete tea set here and William Shawcross's book on Queen Elizabeth. I haven't got as many books as some of the other rooms, but I've got more than industry par, and they're all hardbacks. The mirror's a good idea because it extends the size of the room, and I just love the flowers, all one type of flower. The bag's been put on a luggage rack, even though there's a separate closet room. And I like this jack pack, very good, with European as well as UK and USBs. Quick flip on round, nice carpeting everywhere except in the closet, which has an adapter up there, I see, and the safe. All the things that you need. Masses of mirrors. Shower with a little seat. One thing that I've noticed already is that unfortunately the toilet roll is held very high up, very difficult to get to. And for the bath, we have small size tubes, so much nicer. And Irene Forte's lovely body cream.